Martin surname meaning and history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English, Scottish, Irish, and French surname from the personal name Martin, which is derived from the Latin Martinus, itself a derivative of Mars, the Roman god of fertility and war, whose name ultimately means gleam. This was also borne by a famous 4th century Christian saint, Martin of Tours, and consequently became extremely popular throughout Europe during the Middle Ages. Early bearers included Walter Martin of Northampton in 1116, as well as William, John, Ralph, and Roger Martin in Normandy, France in 1198. Knighthoods included Admiral of the Fleet Sir George Martin, an officer in the Royal Navy who saw service in the American War of Independence and the French Revolution. Sir Samuel Martin, born 1801, a judge. Sir James Ranald Martin, born 1793, a surgeon and medical administrator. Sir Ronald Martin. Sir William Martin was Chief Justice of New Zealand from 1841 until 1857. Sir William Martin of Athelhampton was a Member of Parliament for Dorset, and he built the current Great Hall of Athelhampton in or around the year 1485. Sir Henry Martin, who died in 1641, was a Fellow of New College at Oxford and a Judge of the Admiralty Court. Admiral of the Fleet Sir Thomas Byam Martin, born 1773, was a Royal Navy officer. Sir Henry Byam Martin, born 1803, was a senior Navy officer and watercolor artist. Sir Theodore Martin, born 1816, was a Scottish poet, biographer, and translator who was knighted in 1880. And others that we don't have images for include Sir Roger Martin and Sir Richard Martin, who were Lord Mayors of London in the 16th century, Sir William Martin of Essex, Sir Nicholas Martin of Devon, Sir Roger Martin of Long Melford, knighted in 1625, and Sir Thomas Martin of Cambridge. Noble titles held included the Martin Baronetcy of Longford in the county of Sussex, which was created, and the Baronetage of England in 1667 for Sir Roger Martin. And here we see Burnham Westgate Hall in Norfolk, England, which was purchased by Sir Mordaunt Martin, the 4th Baronet, in 1808. The Martin Baronetcy of Locking in the county of Berkshire was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1791 for Captain Sir Henry Martin, a Member of Parliament for Southampton and Comptroller of the Royal Navy. The Martin Baronetcy of Capehag in the county of Dublin was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1885 for Sir Richard Martin, who was High Sheriff of Dublin. There was also the Napoleonic nobility of France. In the early 1800s, several members were knighted, including Charles Martin, Claude Martin, Francois Martin, Jean Martin, Pierre Martin, and Jean-Baptiste Martin de la Bastide. The Martins in France also held numerous feudal titles in the 16th and 17th centuries. Landed gentry included Martin of Marshall's Wick in County Hertfordshire, England, Martin of Ham Court in County Worcestershire, Martin of Worsborough Hall in County Yorkshire, England, Martin of Hemmingstone Hall in County Suffolk, England, Martin of East Bridgeford in County Nottinghamshire, Martin of Watton House in County Leicestershire, Martin of Ansty Pastures in County Leicestershire, Martin of Ross in County Galway, Ireland, Martin of Capernwray in County Lancashire, Martin of Tolray Castle in Galway, Ireland, and lastly, Martin of Witch in County Worcestershire. Notable is Richard Martin, an English lawyer, orator, and supporter of the Virginia Company, who was appointed Recorder of the City of London. Alexander Martin, a founding father of the United States, framer of the U.S. Constitution, who was the 4th and 7th Governor of North Carolina. Major General Claude Martin, a French Army officer who served in the French and later British East India Companies in colonial India. Colonel Richard Martin, an Irish politician and campaigner against cruelty to animals. He was known as Humanity Dick, a nickname bestowed upon him by King George IV. Samuel Martin, born 1714, was a politician and Secretary of the Treasury. Benjamin Martin was an author and scientific lecturer and instrument maker, born in 1705. And lastly, Thomas Martin, born 1696, an antiquarian. Early settlers included Captain John Martin and George Martin, who came to Virginia in 1607, William Martin, who came to Virginia in 1610, George Martin came in 1616, and Christopher and Mary Martin arrived in Massachusetts in 1620. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.